If you're missing balance, it usually means sync issues, so let's fix it. First of all, pull down from the US Bank app to refresh, and then swipe down from your phone screen and make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi, and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. After that, you're going to go ahead and log out and log back in. Then check for maintenance notices. After that, try again later if pending. Web banking may update faster than the app, and that's it. Subscribe.